First of all, me and Jarmanjeet, Basant Singh, and Sajan. And there are 3 physical activities to promote the fitness among the children. And first of all, my friend Sajan will talk about the first activity.
So first of all, we choose the 3 activities. First one is bicycle racing, and second one is rugby, and third one is hurdle race. So the first activity would be run in the Unitech playground in 2 October. For the students under the 7 years, racing will be held on 800 meter both ways, and item needed like good quality for the cycle, proper cycling suits, and helmet and for the protection, also as well as first aid. Turf is needed to make the surface smooth to avoid the injury, and the starting time will be 8:30 to till 5:30 p.m. on 10 October, and keep the continue till 11 October. Maximum 5 minutes provided to complete the part. Who will be first won the race. The award will be given by the management. Second one is physical resource for the bicycle racing. Good quality for the 50 cycle is required on the rent, and rest will be asked the student bring cycle from. They have cycling suit, good quality cycling suit is required to protect the body from injury during the activity. Helmet need to protect their heads, and also needed sports shoes. Food and beverages to provide the refreshment to the students during the activity, and the first aid kits also provide to the extra health and safety to the student during the race. Human resource. For the human resource, we have a referee. Referee is required to run the activity. Sportsman will be play the role of the referee. And also we have a sport teacher. Sport teacher will prepare the ground by making the grounds and make the path for the race. And senior management, principal and vice principal is required to release the result for the winners. Also we have the electrician. Electrician is required to set up the ground and the technological resource. The person will be talk about it.
Hi, I'm Sachin, and now I'm talking about technical resources. And number 1 is the good acoustic system, and it's for the good announcement system, and it's for each activity. Like when the player wins, then the voice can be clearly, so that's why it needed. And the digital cameras are also required for the good video and the good quality pictures, because for the memories. And the electronic scoreboards, also required for the points for each team and for the individuals also. And the electric drone, and the drone will also use to click the photos from the different angles, so that's why it also needed. The next one, please. And the budget for the first activity, the bicycle racing, and so we renting the bikes also for rent, and their total amount for the rent is 9,600 for 2 days, because we are hiring 50 bicycles, and so there are some cycle suits also in this activity which we're gonna buy, and the small suits can be buy from warehouse, and the price for them are $15, and helmets are buying from warehouse as well, from $15 to $20, and the sports shoes gonna no cost because students can buy their own, and some foods and beverages it will cost 2,400 students.
And second activity is we conducting the rugby matches. So participate with the age of 14 to 17 years are allowed for the rugby matches. And there are some items needed in the rugby matches like rugby ball or safety gears like mouth cap and shoulder pads to run the game. And the starting date will be 12th October from 9 a.m. to 9 p.m. and 80 minutes. The timing will be 80 minutes per game, and it will be given, and the 15 students can participate per match. And rugby match will be held as you talk about the Unitech Institute Mount Albert campus. And there are some physical activities needed for the rugby matches. First of all, the rugby ball. The most important thing which is needed for the rugby ball is good quality rugby ball to run the matches without any kind of hindrance. And to assess the resources, the operation manager can buy from the Rebel Sports. And also rugby uniform is also needed for the matches. And the student can wear the uniform according to their teams and represent the team during the matches. And next one is safety gears. Safety gears including like helmets, shoulder pads, shin guards, and mouth guard to protect the part of the body during the game. And food and beverage is also provided to the students who are participating in this activity. And the other one is first aid kit also required to heal the person if anyone got injured during the matches. So the first aid kit also provided to the students. And the human resources for the bicycle racing. And the technological resources for required is a good accounting system, and which require make to important announcement during the matches, and activities like which team is playing and winning or losing. And digital cameras also required to record the games. And next one, the hurdle race, and German will talk about the hurdle race.
So, good afternoon everyone. So, hurdle race is one of the very important part of our activity because this activity includes all the physical health which a person requires because it's about your physical health. And this is different for women and men because these are played in Olympics and every part. So, it is different for according to the person. So, it is 100 meter for the women and 110 meter for men students. And the date is 13 October and timing will be 10 a.m. to 5 p.m. Also, there are some safety gears which are very important for this one because safety is very priority of our activity. So we require jersey shorts and some kind of studs which will be better for the students and will make a better grade for them. And this activity will be held at Unitech Institute Mount Albert campus, Pegler. Next one please. Physical sources for hurdle race. So hurdles, it is a kind of race in which person need to make jump while running. So it needs a proper concentration. So it requires hurdles as well. And hurdles can be bought from the hard sports for the students. Next one is studs and with spikes. The shoes with the spikes are needed to get the better grip while running on the surface. To buy, management can ask students to bring their own during the training sessions. Next one is buttons. Buttons are basically stick made of metal or plastic, or during the race, one person after finishing his lap need to hand over to the next person because hurdle race is mostly when you are in 3 or 4 groups, you need to pass the hurdle to the next person. So you have to play your part, and that your next partner will play his part. Next one is first aid kit. As first aid kit is very important for health and safety of the person. And next one is food and beverages. Food and beverages will be served at the end of the race to the every participants. Next please. So human resources. So these are some of the technical sources which are required. So this is a digital camera required for recording of the race. Next one is electronic scoreboards. So the scoreboards can show the scores of the team and which team has completed which lap. and which person is coming to the next snap, it will display the names of the team, so every team can manage their person according to his capabilities. And next one is projector and screen. So projector and screen is required for the audience, they can see very clearly and they can judge the match properly and they can enjoy as well. So, and for these kind of requirement, we need Wi-Fi and internet access. So Wi-Fi is very important part and will play important part, because without Wi-Fi and internet we can't implement these activities. And next one is electronic drones. So drones will be used because drones can cover every part of the ground very clearly and can help the specialist to train the members of the team as well and tell them for the next time what they can do better for their next race.
And now the budget for hurdle races. We need hurdles for this, and the price for the heart adjustable hurdle will be $47.50, which is available in Heart Sports. And the batons, the cost price for these things are 3-pack is $11 on the Amazon.com. So, and will be around 31 batons. So the total is 76.93 cents. And the starting blocks, it cost near about $45.50 on the Amazon, and we need 10, so it's around 455. So the first aid kit we need for the safety for the students, and the kit will be buying from the Camden Pharmacy, and it will be buy from $30. And food and beverages, also 2,400 students involved in each activity, and the sports shoes students can buy their own. So that's all. Thank you so much.